Okay, this is 1717 Hazelwood in Detroit. Today is the 15th of March. It's a 4-family flat. The roof is in good shape. Brick, gold brick. There's a balcony upstairs. It has new, it has new vinyl windows. And there's no garage. No garage, ma'am?
No garage.
How many bedrooms are in the units?
2.
In each one? Okay. Alright. And it's one of the units is occupied by a good tenant. Alright. You guys ready?
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
You go look at that.
Which one? This one right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, come on with me. Okay, this is one bottom flat here. Here's the living room. Ceilings look good. The walls look fine. Nice hardwood floors. Living room, dining room, and let's see. Thank you, sir.
This is the bathroom.
This is the bathroom. Toilet, vanity, bathtub, towel. Everything seems to be operational. And here's a bedroom with a closet. Kind of small, but it's a bedroom. And here's the kitchen. It's definitely a flat.
Got one more bedroom.
Okay, and then there's a rear bedroom, sun area. It does have a closet, and it seems to be in good shape. Okay, this is unit number what, sir?
This is 1.
Unit number 1. Okay. And if the owner wants to contact you, how would he contact you?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, I guess I'll give you his phone number.
Yeah, go ahead, I'm listening.
285.
Okay, 313 area code.
285.
285.
90. 87.
87, and you are Mr.
Taylor.
Mr. Taylor. Thank you, Mr. Taylor. This is unit number... What's the unit number on this one? The unit number is number 8.
This is, wait a minute, I think it's West 1.
West 1. Okay.